Paano po ba malalaman ang measurement kapag maramihan na ang i-bake na brownies or cookies? So, actually, yung simpleng sagot ay you just have to multiply it. For example, ang one batch ng cookie ay 12 pieces. Kailangan mo na ng 60 pieces. So, kailangan mo na gumawa ng 5 batches. So, kailangan mo lang i-multiply yung measurements ng ingredients mo by 5. But, I highly recommend na gumamit ka ng metric units or grams instead of cups, tablespoons, and teaspoons. Kasi kailangan dyan, very accurate yung measurement mo. Kapag kasi kontian lang yung bake, minsan, nakakalampas tayo dun sa mga mali-maling measurement. Pero kapag dumadami na yung binibake natin, nag-a-accumulate yung maling measurement na yun at talagang makaka-apekto na yun dun sa final product or finished product mo. Kaya dapat gumamit ka ng digital weighing scale. At talagang it's a must-have. I'm a strong advocate for using digital weighing scale, for using grams instead of cups and tablespoons and teaspoons. Kaya pag-investan mo talaga yan, lalo na kapag nasa phase ka na ng business mo na nagba-bulk baking ka na. I hope this was helpful. Please follow for more.